How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to appear offline on WhatsApp even if you're online. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device, then head over to the settings menu by tapping on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then tapping on settings. Once you're here, tap on account. Then tap on privacy, and lastly tap on status. And once you're here, you can update to who can see your status updates. So you can set it to my contacts accept, and then you can choose a few different contacts that you don't want to actually see your updates, or you can click on only share with, and then you can only share with the people who you choose. And that's all it takes to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.